Good afternoon. This week we're going to be doing another online seed giveaway. We are giving away 6 seed packets from Botanical Interests, and the winner is also going to get free enrollment in our online seed saving course. So we've got 6 of these. The first one is Cosmic Purple Carrot. This is one of our family's personal favorites. They grow pretty fast, they do well in summer, or they sweeten up even better in the fall. And they're just a really nice flavored carrot. They've got a little bit of spice and they're pretty sweet. They are reddish purple on the outside and orange on the inside when you cut them open. Let's see, the next one here is Red Sales Leaf Lettuce. Add some color to your salads. Let's see, this one contains more vitamins A and C than grocery store lettuce. It's heat tolerant. And it can be harvested as baby greens, or it can grow in a full head, into a full head. Next is Gerard pumpkin. This is one of our favorite pumpkins. They are really pretty grayish blue, and they make great pies or soups, or they can just be baked and then served with some butter and brown sugar or coconut sugar, whatever you like. And let's see, these get to 6 to 12 pounds is what it says on the packet. Ours usually get on the bigger side, like 10 to 12 pounds or even a little bit more. And these store really well. I actually just pulled one out of our storage to use, and it's still in good shape. Next is Hearts of Gold Musk Melon. This is a short season heirloom melon from the late 1800s, I believe. I actually have not tried this one, but I want to, so maybe I'll get some of these for myself too. Next is a edible flower mix. Let's see, these are annuals and perennials. It says enjoy the range of flavors from peppery calendula and arugula to clove-like bachelor's button and the light onion flavor of chives. Add to salads and soups or make herb butters and vinegars. These also attract pollinators. They have borage, nasturtium, calendula, bachelor's button, fennel, radish, arugula, cygnet marigold, basil, chives, and Johnny jump ups. And then the last one on here is Sugar Magnolia. This is a purple snap pea. On the back it says tender and delicious, Sugar Magnolia isn't just a famous Grateful Dead song. It's also a beautiful, fine flavored, edible potted pea with purple flowers. Long hypertendrils act as extra sturdy supports for 6 to 7 foot vining plants, creating an airy structure that also helps prevent mildew. And I have one that's similar to this, but I haven't tried this exact pea, so hopefully they are good. And like I said at the beginning of the video, the winner is also going to get free enrollment in our seed saving course. So in our seed saving course, you're going to learn all about how to save seeds from all your plants and avoid cross-pollination from different varieties. You'll learn which different plants can cross, like pumpkins and zucchini, and how to avoid the crossing, how to hand pollinate different types of plants. You'll learn how to save seeds from biennials that don't go to seed their first year, how to store your seeds, and how to make sure that you have the best quality seeds so that your plants get better and better year after year. And you'll get lifetime access to that course, so you don't have to take it right away. Whenever it's convenient for you, you will have access to it. We're going to be holding the drawing 1 week from today, so that will be next Tuesday. I don't know if I'll get a chance to do a video on that day. If I don't get the video up, just wait for it. It will be coming. And finally, this contest is only open to U.S. residents, since I have to deal with shipping. All right, everybody have a good day, and I will see you next week.